actually moved to Texas in 2018. We relocated from Chicago and we moved into DeSoto, but our kids attended Trinity Christian High School in Cedar Hill. As we were trying to think about what was next and what was best for Mario, because Marquise, our eldest son, was graduating, we had conversations with different families who lived in DeSoto to kind of talk about the school.
We started to build some great relationships, and it was so for us it's been a great family environment. Everyone has been very forthcoming with information, and they've helped us out a lot during our period of time, just adjusting to the area.
And they had great things to say about DeSoto High School. And we like to try to get involved wherever we go, get involved in the community. So hearing about the different opportunities for parents and the students to get involved was something that was really, really attractive.
He's in the early college program. And for us, we were extremely excited to hear about the program, to know that he'll graduate with his associate's degree. That's spectacular.
The teachers, like for example, Miss Garner, she helps me feel myself in her classroom. I'm able to speak to her, feel comfortable in her class, and she makes learning very easy and fun. I like the environment, how they make me feel comfortable, how they teach me how to advocate for myself and time management, things I'll need in the future.
The exact same thing we receive from an academic standpoint, we receive from an athletic standpoint. Coach Mathis is very forthcoming with the information. And then, and he explains and he breaks everything down. There's no secrets, so you know exactly what to expect.
I want to attend college, a Division I college actually. I want to major in mechanical engineering and also obtain my master's degree. But I also want to play football at the next level. Football has always been a dream of mine. And the reason I want to get my master's degree is because I know I won't be able to play football my whole life. I need to make sure I have a plan or a next step after football.
We're the Buford family. Come join us in experiencing the DeSoto ISD difference.
Enroll today at DeSoto ISD.